Today, we're exploring the UGREEN Cat 8 Ethernet Cable 6FT, a high-performance network cable designed specifically for serious gamers, streaming aficionados, and tech enthusiasts who demand peak upload and download speeds. This cable is built to optimize high-speed data transmission and is particularly well-suited for environments requiring fast, stable connections such as gaming, media streaming, and even professional networking scenarios. One of the most impressive features of this cable is its ability to support speeds up to 40 gigabit per second with a frequency of 2000 megahertz. This substantial bandwidth ensures that whether you're in the midst of an intense multiplayer battle or streaming high-definition videos, you'll experience remarkably smooth and uninterrupted connectivity. The cable's performance is further enhanced by its 4 shielded foiled twisted pairs, FFTP, pure copper core, and gold-plated RJ45 connectors. These design elements effectively reduce interference, crosstalk, and other types of noise, ensuring that your network speed remains fast and signal integrity is maintained even in noisy environments. The durability of this cable stands out too. Wrapped in quality cotton braided material, it's engineered for long-term use. With a tested ability to withstand at least 10,000 bends without breaking, it's an excellent choice for both stationary and dynamic setups where cables may be frequently handled or repositioned. Additionally, the cable is PoE supported, with the exception of the 65 feet variant, making it a convenient option for installations like PoE cameras without the need for additional power supply units. In real-life settings, users have noted that the UGREEN Cat 8 Ethernet cable delivers on its promise of high speed and reliable performance, with minimal packet loss and consistent connectivity over long durations. However, some users have mentioned that its premium construction might come at a slightly higher price compared to standard Cat 6 or Cat 7 cables. That said, when you compare it with similar products in the market, the investment in quality and durability truly justifies the cost, especially for those reliant on a high-speed connection. For those looking to get the most out of this cable, ensure that your networking hardware is also up to par. Using this cable with high-speed compatible devices, such as gaming consoles like the PS5 or Xbox, modern routers and modems, will allow you to fully leverage its capabilities. Moreover, proper care in routing and securing the cable will extend its lifespan even further. Overall, the UGREEN Cat 8 Ethernet Cable 6FT is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking a reliable, fast, and durable LAN cable. It's ideal for gamers, streamers, and professional users who demand the best in network performance. If you're looking to upgrade your network infrastructure, this cable is well worth the investment.